Hey everyone, so that's the end of Pikes Peak 2019. It's with a pretty heavy heart, I gotta say, that we are in the position that we're in. Won the heavyweight class, won the lap record, won the overall, and I won the overall, unfortunately. Certainly not the way I wanted to win the overall, because we lost a great man today in Carlin Dunne. Yeah, it's bloody awful. Yeah, it's been a really intense day. Carlin and I have gone head to head now for a couple of years, and Carlin was one of my mentors when I turned up to Pikes Peak in 2016. He and Greg Tracy gave me such information that I was just completely next level in terms of the stuff they gave me, and stuff that I still used right up till this year. When I crossed the line, I started behind Carlin. I started second, so we were about 2.5 minutes apart, and I pinned it. I felt I rode pretty well. I don't think I rode crazy. I don't think I rode spectacularly, but I felt like everything just worked, and it came down to Jeremy Toy, just smooth. Main thing was straight line braking, maintenance throttle, so pick up the maintenance throttle and just drive instead of going just and just keep the thing cruising. Imagine like a bottle of water, instead of shaking the bottle of water, like doing those things with a bottle of water, kind of thing like that with a throttle, and using the outside peg to weight the bike coming out of corners when you get on the throttle. And I just talked myself through it and got to the top, and it was great. Got a 9:44. My objective for this race was to win the heavyweight title. If we got the lap record, absolute bonus. Never ever expected to get the King of the Mountain title, and if I'm totally honest, it's a hollow King of the Mountain title for me. I'd give it right back right now to have Carlin back. When I crossed the line, I didn't know. Carlin was behind me, so I didn't know. And I came across the line. As far as I was concerned, I won the heavyweight title, so I was just so pumped. Smashing the tank and screaming in my helmet and screeching expletives, all that sort of stuff. And then I had a television interview, and I was talking to this bird for like 5 minutes or whatever it was, and I'm like, hang on a minute, where the hell's Carlin? Where's he gone? And I thought maybe he's pulled up around the back or whatever, and they said he hasn't come through yet. And I'm like, oh bullshit, he's got to come back at some point. And I thought, oh, it's probably all right, it's probably fine. So I kept talking or whatever, and then sure enough, we hear the sirens, like, oh, hang on. And then a couple of minutes later, we saw the medevac, and look, long story short, everyone knows the result. There was a lot of stuff that happened in between that's better left unsaid, and we've lost a great human being. Carlin was a great help to me, as I said to you, in the rookie year. We were riding Supermoto together last week. Myself, Chris Fillmore, and Carlin, we were banging around on Supermotos together and having a bit of fun. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Carlin's death aside, I felt like the team was just spectacular today. We did everything that we wanted to. We achieved every objective that we wanted to. We wanted to win the heavyweight championship. We did that. The tyres worked incredibly well with Oscar Solis and Pirelli. Everything was great, obviously, except the couple of hours after we finished. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. To be honest, my brain's kind of fried, and I'm pretty tired. But anyway, we achieved our objectives, just not in the fashion that we wanted to. So, just want to thank one more time everyone that's helped in this project, because there is no Pikes Peak without you guys. Aprilia, Pirelli, Donesi, AGV, Tagger Designs as well for the kick-ass looking kangaroo helmet. Olin's, Brembo, Syndicate Racing, Imperial Sport Bikes. Anyone that, and also I have one other company which I have. Sorry guys, I can't believe I forgot you guys earlier. Power Commander, idiot. My God. Yeah, you guys have been amazing. Thanks so much for the help and the support and all the stuff, because we've relied on you guys a lot. I'm really sorry that I hadn't mentioned you in previous videos. Yeah, so now we're just gonna pack everything up. We're going back to Southern California. That's it with Pikes Peak 2019. It was the fastest year. I mean, Carlin was on course to just crush me in the overall lap record, which I was, you know, if he did, then whatever he did, he's Carlin Dunne. But you know, unfortunately, maybe he's left us for a better place, hopefully. But yeah, you know, Godspeed, mate. You know, you were a true gentleman, a great man, and you know, a great guy that helped me out, not through any, you know, need or want, just because he could. And you know, it proves that there's good people in the world, and the world lost a good person today. So anyway, that's it for me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video diaries. We're going to have the onboard video that we're going to have edited up. We've got a couple of different angles that we're going to put together. So we have the onboard video that we're going to edit up. We also will have a proper movie that has different people involved that will really give you a proper overview than just what we have right now. But yeah, that's it for the video diaries for another year of Pikes Peak. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all the comments and all the love that you guys have given us. It's been hugely appreciated. But thanks guys, and until next time, cheers, see ya.